Morning guys, and what's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Today we are taking delivery of Tata Safari. This is going to be a replacement for the Red Creta which you have been seeing in the vlogs a couple of times. That's actually a 5-year-old car, and finally our grandparents are upgrading to the brand new Tata Safari. And yeah, I'm pretty much ready here. And Rohit had a very emergency sudden flight, so he went to his flight today morning. Though he's already landed back in Hyderabad, and he's directly going to the showroom. And uske liye kapde vapde I kept everything, and I'm extremely late. So let's get on and I'm getting calls from like Chalo, let's get on and show you the car itself. Hello guys, I'm extremely late now, and we need to get ready ASAP. The Shubh Muhurat is actually around 12 o'clock and time is already 11, and we need to reach the showroom ASAP. And yeah, out there we can reach Rohit and he will continue with the vlog with us.
So just socks.
Mom, these are knitted shoes, they don't need socks. These shoes, mom, are actually odor resistant and extremely breathable. So anyways, bye mama. Chalo. Time to go on and meet you directly on the road.
I have come straight from the airport to take delivery of our new car. I'll change, huh? I've arrived before Sujan. And seriously, it has to go. I need to get back into something more normal. You see me here.
Dude, you can actually remove your socks.
I know, I'm started removing them, you know. The reason why? These shoes are odor resistant and extremely breathable.
Then you realize that they're extremely light as well.
Yeah.
Easy slip-ons.
Oh boy. And I don't know how many of you noticed this, but that's a patented dialogue of mine, huh? Oh boy. So, I'm ready. Let's go see our new car. Raring to go on it.
Love the color, dude. It's amazing.
It's matching your shirt, almost.
Huh?
It's almost matching your shirt.
Oh yeah.
That is one of our new cars for the day. The other one is right behind. And thoda auspicious thing, putting that tikka and all. Those lemons look tiny in front of these huge tires. So, woo! Look at the happiness on Tata's face. Tata, how is the car? Excellent, eh? How does it feel, Suj?
Feels good, dude. It does. We still didn't go for a test drive, but we'll go do it in some time. Feels good. This is the first time I'm driving a Tata Safari, so
it's been the first time we are actually in a Tata car after a very long period. Imagine, after our Indica, we never had a Tata.
So that is more than what, 12, 13, 14
yeah. It is done. It is clocking showing 70 odd kilometers on the Odo. When we've taken the delivery of the car, it showed about 60 odd.
That's strange.
That's a lot for a new car. Like when we took the i20, it had 12. That's it, only 12 on the Odo. So whatever, the car, the first most amazing thing about this car is the color. I don't know how many of you guys have seen this color on road. You must have probably, but we fell in love with the color.
Oh,
You?
it looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah. And it's a very, very, very big car. Like, you literally need a special communication device to talk to somebody at the back. It's that big, that's long, that's how long it is.
Suspension is good, dude.
Very
That
good.
was a very bad patch of roads.
Yeah.
I just told it out.
So it gobbles up bad patches like there is nothing on the road types. It is a really, really, really solidly built car.
AC is good too. There are 3 driving modes: Sport, Eco, and Normal.
Does it make any difference? I didn't feel any difference. Buttons here, you can click them.
I think oddly paced, you know.
Yeah, these are the buttons here. Press it, it will become normal. Press this, it will become sports. Press it again, it will become normal. So the build quality of Tatas has improved tremendously over the past few years. But there are places where they are lagging behind when it comes to competition. Basically because, again, this is a 26 odd lakh rupee car. It looks that good from the outside, definitely. On the inside, there are few materials which need a lot of improvement.
The screen is horrible.
You can't do anything other than that but say that word, because the rear view camera is low res. It is not high definition camera.
The Android Auto and Apple CarPlay display is only this one. The screen is till here, but you only get the display probably this 5-inch.
Yeah, maybe have 5.5, 6 inch. Not more than that. It's got a lot of bezel around, which is again for a modern car, whatever. For modern technology, it doesn't.
And when I started driving this like right outside the house, I felt the steering wheel was a bit heavy. But Rohit told me that once the speeds are up, the steering wheel is extremely light and it doesn't give any feedback.
More than light. It becomes a little vague, as in you're not happy with the way the steering is responding. Comparing to cars which are more sportier, obviously that is. Comparing it to the Creta, comparing it to the i20 or whatever we've been having at home. It feels very vague. It doesn't have a neutral position as such. That's something which we felt.
I have 2 problems with this car right now. I can see engine check light. I mean, this is a brand new car. We just rolled it out of the showroom, but we can see engine oil check light or engine check light. And also the airbag check light.
So I've called up the people at the showroom and asked them.
You already called them up?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I asked them what is this, and they're like, sir, we'll get it checked, and they have a service center in Boinpalli. They said, can you get it today? I told them today not possible, but tomorrow I'll have to take this car, get it checked. Why is a brand new car having engine check light on? So that's small thing, but this car, this car is going to be used by our grandparents, by grandmom, granddad, and they are going to sit in the middle rows, and that is by far the best middle row I have sat in a very long time.
Looks big, dude. Looking like.
Yeah. So up front, it's going to be. This is 100% going to be a chauffeur-driven car. This is the top-end model which we have taken. Our RXZ, whatever, plus Adventure, whatever they call this model. But the quality of Tata has improved. Like, they have soft touch materials here, which is not there in any other Tata.
Solid build. Their build quality is amazing.
Yeah, as it, you know that this thing will last a very long time.
And for point the camera here, right? This is the handbrake. If you don't know, just pull it up, and you have engaged the handbrake. And it says parking brake applied, and you should just press it down and it will disengage. It's an electronic parking brake. Looks cool. It's a high-end feature car.
Yeah. There are few things which are missing, which have been added in another model which was released about a week ago after the booking we've done, but we wouldn't have taken that. It has got the wireless charging and all, but again, predominantly because this is going to be for my grandparents, we don't need those features. It's got ventilated seats in the front. Again, grandparents are going to sit at the back, so something which we wouldn't have been purchasing, even if it was launched earlier. So we've come actually to refuel the car.
Okay, 6 airbags?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
BJB airbags, that's decent, right?
So time to refuel.
If you're used to your old car, you'll pretty much know where the fuel filler cap is. But if it's a new car, it's a small neat trick. I'm guessing most of you guys already know this, but the fuel ka symbol is there, right? And there's a small arrow which indicates left or right, and that indication shows that whether the fuel filler cap is on the right or on the left.
Sure all of you know about that already.
No matter what car we take, guys, you know, these plastics, we'll remove immediately. We just kept it on because this car is actually going for its ritual pujas.
And then once it comes, oh boy, we have to remove them. All.
And but I really don't understand why manufacturers keep so many plastics. It's waste.
I think it'll just to keep them clean or whatever. But speaking about all these plastics, the shoes we are wearing is actually made of recycled plastic.
Oh wow. At least someone is doing good.
Yeah, I'm happy. Good things are coming out. We have recycled roads which are made of recycled plastic. Shoes like this which are so comfortable coming out of it as well.
And they're light. They're extremely light.
Oh, boy, seriously.
I mean, pretty much we have worn them the entire day
without socks. That is the first time I'm actually wearing any shoes without socks.
I wore them about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and time is 5:30 now. And the entire day I did not remove my shoes. They're quite light and I don't feel I'm wearing any shoes, so they're pretty comfortable.
So this is our first take on this small car of ours, not small, huge car of ours. How do you guys like this surprise? This was not expected. I don't think we've revealed it anywhere that we are going to take this car, but
and I can see pretty much many comments going on. Oh, you have the XUV 700 at the same price and all. But we wanted the car immediately, and as you saw, XUV car bookings, they've stopped taking bookings. They have like what 25,000 odd bookings in like 1 hour. So they'll deliver the cars have like 3 to 6 months afterwards.
And a major reason, one more consideration which we have also made. XUV 700 doesn't have rear seats which slide on rails. So we wanted a car which is offering maximum comfort for the grandparents. Okay, this is with the middle row fully forward.
Do you have space there to sit?
Yes, I can sit easily.
This is fine. I mean, obviously you don't have under thigh support, but
for an hour or two?
For more than that.
Lovely.
For probably 300 to 400 kilometers. If you don't have rear luggage, I can happily sit. Nice. And if you're traveling only 6 people, I can always sit like this, right? This is more comfortable though.
Come out and you can actually sit in this row and you can see how...
like AC vents here, a few charging sockets there. Pretty decent. And a decent full-size review of this car will be coming really soon, once all these plastics and everything, and once the car is again checked properly.
So the front seat is actually set to Srujan's driving position, and he's got plenty of legroom. This is more than
my Creta, dude.
Yeah, this is the seat which is fully forward, and this one is fully back. So there's this much of rail movement on the middle row. Please.
It's not like the Honda. It's not like the Marutis. It's
very premium.
Yeah,
it's almost in the lines of that BMW.
It's better than the Volkswagens which we have.
Yeah, look at how thick that door is actually. Including all the padding, whatever cladding, whatever. It is a massive door, and we really like this car for the purpose which we had taken it. It doesn't have a bit of chrome in it. So we basically loved this car for the purpose we purchased it for, which is going to be a chauffeur-driven car. 100%.
From outside.
Looks extremely cool. And you know what? I would think 10 times putting my hand and resting on a Hyundai like that.
Oh, and can I say one more thing?
Yeah.
मेरे तरफ देखना, please. What is this?
Safari. Safa.
This is a page called Safa. Srujan Anna Fans Association.
Saying that, guys, the link to these shoes will be in the description below. You can actually purchase them for yourself. They are really amazing and really comfortable.
Yeah, like if you guys really like them, you can purchase them, and there's actually a 7-day trial. If you don't like them, you can always ship them back to their company, ship them back to the company for free. and refund is 100% refund is also be there. So check these shoes out, and we really like them. They're pretty light, and we're going to wear them pretty much every day.
Absolutely, because they're so light and so comfortable and
Easy,
all the good stuff.
easy to use, easy to wear. I can just slip over. Chalo, shoes are off.
See you in the
Time to
next
go back
video,
in.
guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye.
Oh, video this is
पता नहीं वीडियो है या कैम फोटो
Video हो रहा.
अरे what's popping बोल रहे.
What's popping YouTube? बोला को Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. No.